Eclipta prostrata, also known as false daisy or bringrye, a medicinal plant widely used in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda for its various health benefits. Here are potential health benefits of Eclipta prostrata: hair growth. Eclipta prostrata is commonly used to promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. It helps strengthen hair follicles and improves scalp health, leading to thicker, healthier hair. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Liver health. It has hepatoprotective properties that help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins and free radicals. Eclipta prostrata may support liver function and aid in the treatment of liver disorders. Anti-inflammatory. Eclipta prostrata possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. It may be beneficial for conditions like arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, and skin inflammation. Antioxidant activity. The plant is rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which help neutralize harmful free radicals and protect cells from oxidative damage. Skin health. Eclipta prostrata is used topically to treat various skin conditions, including wounds, eczema, psoriasis, and acne. It has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe and heal the skin. Immune booster. It may help strengthen the immune system and increase the body's resistance to infections and diseases due to its immunomodulatory effects. Anti-diabetic properties. Eclipta prostrata has been studied for its potential anti-diabetic properties. It may help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Anti-cancer potential. Some research suggests that Eclipta prostrata may have anti-cancer properties and could inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells. However, more studies are needed to confirm its efficacy in cancer prevention and treatment. Antimicrobial. Eclipta prostrata exhibits antimicrobial activity against a variety of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It may help prevent infections and promote faster healing of wounds and injuries. Digestive health. Eclipta prostrata is used in traditional medicine to improve digestion and treat gastrointestinal disorders like indigestion, constipation, and bloating. It may help stimulate digestive enzymes and promote healthy bowel movements. While Eclipta prostrata shows promise for various health benefits, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before using it for medicinal purposes, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant or breastfeeding. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.